Hey guys, welcome back to Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today we're working on a 2007 Honda Odyssey. This is my own personal car, so there's probably going to be a few videos popping up as I do work to it. The first thing I want to do today is take off this rear view mirror and replace it with this one. So as part of my upgrades, I'm converting from standard mirror to LCD mirror. But getting the mirror off is obviously the first step. I'm going to use my Trusty 4140 Pry Tool here, and the trick is at the back of the mirror there's a groove. Okay, the idea is you want to get this hook to push on this part. Now don't get putting too much pressure on the glass because you don't want to break it, but you're basically doing this kind of motion just a little bit, and when it pops down you should be able to wiggle the mirror off. There we go. So what you are in fact doing is applying pressure to this point there, just enough to get it to pop off from underneath there. Okay? And then, if I'm lucky, all I have to do is slide that on top, like that. And do up the Allen key. So if you've got a broken mirror, you won't have the Allen key because you're just replacing it with a normal one, and it will slide down over top and you'll hear it go click, and it's locked into place. This one doesn't have that function, so the Allen key secures it for me. But that is my nice new digital screen mirror, ready for the next stage of my process. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.